Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable custom alerts on Webull account. So first we're going to go to our Webull app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then once you guys are here, you're going to click on the profile section on the lower right corner. Then next we're going to click on settings. Then we're going to click on message settings. Then again we're going to click on price alerts. So as you can see, custom alerts are turned off. You're going to turn it on. So from now on, you're going to get notifications for your customized alerts for specific stocks. So that's the importance of this setting, and this is how you turn it on. It's a very simple process. As I told you, we also have different videos in our how tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out as well, as we've been posting every day. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.